Thanks so much for joining us for ABC 4 News at 4. I'm Glenn Mills in for Emily Clark.
Good to be with you on this Thursday afternoon. I'm Rick Aaron. Well, in another sign that the coronavirus pandemic is winding down in Utah, this morning Governor Spencer Cox stepped to the podium for his final weekly COVID-19 update. As Lieutenant Governor and now Governor, Spencer Cox provided updates on the COVID situation for the past 15 months. Today, as cases and deaths continue to dwindle, he had a clear message. If you're not vaccinated, you are still at risk.
Since we opened up the vaccine to everyone in Utah, we have had more than 70 people die from the coronavirus. That's 70 people who died. Those are completely preventable deaths. Every single one of those. Conversely, we have not had a single person in the state of Utah die from getting the vaccine.
There have been 688 deaths from COVID-19 since January 1st. 99.9% of those deaths have been in unvaccinated individuals. These vaccines are safe. They are exceedingly effective. They are the magic bullet.
Governor Cox announced these updates will now be once every 2 weeks and took some time to reflect on the ones that stand out in his memory, like March 12th, 2020.
Certainly the one after Rudy Gobert and Donovan Mitchell tested positive. Today marks the day when I think it became real. That was a big moment. I mean, you remember those were the 4th and 5th cases in the state of Utah, and kind of that was when everything changed nationwide.
In April of 2020, the Utah Division of Emergency Management set up an overflow 260-bed hospital at Mountain America Expo Center. Today, the governor revealed that they almost had to use it when ICUs were nearly overwhelmed in October.
We were preparing the Expo Center to receive patients in the case of hospitalization overloads, and then coming so dangerously close to having to do that. We were literally days, if not hours, away from having to triage patients and move them to that Expo Center, which was just awful. I mean, that's how close we came, and I don't think most people realize that.
He closed by cautioning that while weekly news conferences are over, the pandemic is not.
Certainly, this is not the end, and I don't want it to sound like it's the end. We'll still be back together and having these conversations, but it is a little bit emotional, I think, for everyone who's been involved in this response, and for everyone.
The Utah Department of Health will continue to provide daily updates of case and vaccination numbers, and the governor's first bi-weekly COVID-19 news conference is scheduled for Thursday, June 10th.